Welcome back, my lovelies. Today it's all about hairstyle trends that are coming back in style from the early 2000s, 1990s, and 1980s. Let's begin. Let's start with the first one. It's super cute, very nostalgic. Tiny little butterfly clips. They're coming back in style, what can I say? They're super cute, they're trendy, they're fun. What can you not like about it? I got these little butterfly clips from Amazon, where else? Super great price, you get a ton of them. And this hairstyle, you take little sections right here and you twist them. You take the butterfly clip and you literally clip it at the very end. Super cute, you can leave your hair down, you can pick it up. It's a little bit of a statement, it's not too much, it's not in your face, but it's super cute. I also think this is perfect for little girls, teenagers, whoever, honestly. I mean, you could do so many different things. You could literally just take your hair in the back and clip them all together like a little half updo. But I think it's just something super cute, so simple, but it makes a little impact, you know, something else to your hair. And I love the little color palette. You can go as many little sections as possible, pick up all your hair in a ponytail, clip your little baby hairs out of the way, so many different ways. Let's move on to the next one. Next, big hair claw clips. You probably either grew up seeing your mom use these, you've used them, and now your kids are using them. But there's so many cute ones. I personally love this one right here. I think it's just so precious. You can find so many on Etsy, Amazon, like these right here, and they're really inexpensive. And I mean, you could just go so many different ways with this. You could do like a French style, very messy with like a waterfall hanging down. For example, you just take your hair, you just kind of roll it up, you take your hair clip, literally. That's the style. You have your hair kind of falling down, flowing down. You can split it halfway, but that's the look. Very simple, hair is out of your face. This, I would do something like this for when I'm doing errands. I want the hair out of my face. Chasing a little toddler, cleaning the house, but it's cute, you know? It's a cute hairstyle. It's kind of, you tried, but you didn't try. So if you don't like the waterfall look, you could just do the exact same thing, twist it, and then take the hair and twist it back down. Take the clip and just secure it. Take some pieces out. There you go. And then one of my other favorite ways is using a smaller little clip. It's just a tiny bit smaller. And this one you can see right through it. Also Amazon. Taking like a half updo. This one's a little bit more sleek towards the front. I usually don't take my hair out. Just take hair together and clip it right in the back. Next, snap clips. These, also Amazon, but I had so many of these growing up, and I'd always want the ones that had like that, like silicone designs on it, because I would pick them off. That's so bad. You come with a certain type and then you leave and they're completely different. They're just metal. But these ones are super cute. They're painted. You have white, there's blue, there's even little cherries, there's butterflies, even cute little like prints, designs. I mean, there's so many like looks you could do with this. I grew up, how I used to wear clips was literally you take a clip. They could be this size, they could be smaller. And you literally, I mean, literally that's the look. You could do only one side or you could do both sides. Sometimes like even mismatch the colors like so. Do like an ombre look, basically. The more obnoxious, the better the look. You usually kind of bring the hair towards kind of on top of the clips. And of course, these are perfect for getting all those baby hairs out of the face. If you're doing like a high ponytail, top knot, messy bun, whatever it is. Or just literally just place them all over your head. That's also something I used to do. And I see a lot of people doing now. Next, scrunchies. Still in style. I feel like they came back really strong 2020, 2019, 2021. And I feel like they're getting bigger and bigger. Just honestly, any kind of scrunchie. I think one of my favorite ways is just to wear it in like a ponytail, like a half updo, 2 ponytails, a bun, and you kind of just wrap the scrunchie around, because you can like you can really find some super cute scrunchies right now. Next, we have braids. but we're not getting crazy with braids. We're not getting intricate. It's literally just a 3-strand braid, not a French braid, not a Dutch braid, 3-strand braid right here in the front or somewhere like in between. But you want to wear your hair down, and that's it. This next one is the banana clip. We're going back to the 80s for this. It's 2 combs pretty much. They're attached on both sides. You unsnap one side, and then when you comb your hair together, pretty much, or just bring your hair together, you snap it back in. So you have to have one side, the V, underneath, and then the snapping is going to be towards the top. This is straight up 80s. It's like a mullet, but a ponytail, like a really long ponytail. Let's just be honest. They don't hold that great. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. There's different ones that I've seen. They're kind of like, they're on like a little elastic or like a bungee cord, and then you literally wrap it as much as, like as tight as you can, and it kind of gives you the same look. But I think this is really cool, especially if you have thick hair. This will hold a little bit better. If you have thin hair, it doesn't hold as much, as well. We fixed it so you could see it a little better when it's a little more sleek and just kind of polished back a little bit. But yeah, it makes your ponytail look super long. Because my ponytail is not like that. It's not this long. Now it can be. Dreams come true.
Do we want to call it a hack to get a longer ponytail?
You could, yeah. But the one way most, I would say, you use the banana clip is you flip your hair upside down, and what you do is you take basically the combs and you kind of brush it through to make sure everything's all kind of cohesive, and then you snap it in place. But you could do it this way also. Next, we have the bubble ponytail. I mean, I feel like this one just always comes back in style, like every so many years. In my life, it's always in style. It's just so easy. It looks trendy, it looks sporty, it looks chic, depending how sleek or how messy or how simple you go for. The overall look, and it's literally in the name. You create a ponytail, and out of that ponytail, you make little bubbles using clear elastics, colorful elastics, other type of hair accessories that could create a bubble. You do you get creative, you know? And if you're noticing, we're keeping always the middle part because that's what the young kids say is cool nowadays. I think I want to go play tennis right now, you know? I don't know why.
People like put tennis balls like into the bubbles.
To make your bubbles really big. So this next one is, again, middle part. Like, we're not changing the part, you guys. This is a no-no for these trending hairstyles. So basically this one is you have the middle part, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna leave out a couple of these front pieces like your fringe or these longer layers in the front, and then you're gonna pick up all of your hair in a really tight top knot. You're gonna slick it down even more using some kind of pomade, some kind of gel, any kind of paste for your hair. And then you can take those front pieces and you wrap it around your bun, but they're gonna be going at a diagonal into your bun. I honestly kind of like having that middle part even a little bit more. I think it just gives a little bit of an edge to an everyday sleek top knot. But yeah, I like this one. Okay, last but not least, headbands. Oversized headbands. I've been wearing this one a lot, and so many of you have been asking what this is. And I did receive this as a gift. We don't know what brand this is because it doesn't have a tag or anything, but we did look it up and we found the same one or similar one. We think it's the same one. It's very expensive. What was it, like 100?
Around 180.
180?
Somewhere around there.
It was around $180. There's a lot of them that are dupes, I would say, in like Anthropology, like Amazon. There wasn't that many on Amazon that are similar to this, but I found some on Etsy that are somewhat similar. Shopbop, Nordstrom, but they are kind of pricey, just, I don't know why. These are not real jewels. They're definitely not. But this is a very beautiful headband, and the one thing I did say, the first time I wore this, it did hurt my head because I wore like right here. So the way I found to wear these types of headbands, they have this little wrap in the right here in the very top, is again, you split your hair in the middle. It's not a joke anymore, you guys. You take the hair behind your ears, then you take your headband. I know this is amazing. And then you kind of just take the headband, place it back, and then have it sit closer to your crown rather than to the front of your head. And this I found I can wear literally the entire day. I don't have a headache. It's not even uncomfortable on the back of my ears. It's not uncomfortable on top of my head. And yeah, I really enjoy these types of headbands now. I don't know why. I wear them with sweatpants, jeans. It's such an easy look, but you look put together. I'll try to link some options that are a lot more affordable and that look very similar, because this one is adorable. And that completes the trendy hairstyles that are coming back into our lives. Some of them are silly, but honestly, I think all of them, they have a place and time in our life. Like the little butterfly hair clips, like, are you kidding me? Like, these are so cute, and I'm sure it's not everybody's cup of tea, but there's a reason why so many things come back in trend and they stay trendy for a little bit and then they go out of style again. Like the middle part. I mean, what was it? Like the early 2000s, everybody had the super, super sleek straight hair with the middle part, and if you didn't, you were weird. And then it turned into like as much volume as possible, and now we're back to sleek, middle part, hair that's kind of framing our face. But I love each and every stage. Sign me up. You guys, thank you for watching, spending time with me, and I'll see you the next one very soon. Bye.